This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QBH is a Class A RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio, 44720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QBH is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.